How to protect Anza-Borrego Desert's ecosystem. Imagine walking through a vast desert filled with colorful wildflowers, unique animals, and ancient rocks. This is what makes the Anza-Borrego Desert State Park so special. But keeping this desert healthy takes effort from everyone. Protecting the desert's delicate environment is about more than just enjoying its beauty. It involves caring for the land, animals, and plants that call it home. One of the best ways to do this is by helping expand protected areas. When the park acquires nearby private lands, it keeps animals like the peninsular bighorn sheep safe and able to move freely. Connecting different protected zones creates wildlife corridors, which are like highways for animals to travel without danger. This helps keep the ecosystem balanced and resilient. Visitors can also help by following simple rules. Always stay on marked trails to avoid crushing fragile soil crusts that hold the desert together. Pack out all trash and avoid using off-road vehicles, which can damage plants and soil. When camping, use designated fire rings or metal containers for fires, and never leave fires unattended. Respect wildlife by observing from a distance and never feeding animals, because human food can harm them. Managing roads is another key part of protection. Installing signs that tell drivers to slow down and watch for animals helps reduce accidents. Building wildlife overpasses or tunnels can give animals a safe crossing point over busy roads. Park managers also gather data on where animals get hit by cars most often, so they can plan better solutions. Protecting the soil is vital too. The desert has living crusts made of tiny organisms that prevent erosion and trap carbon. Visitors should avoid walking on these crusts and stick to established paths. Native plants like ocotillo and creosote are important for the desert's health, and staying on trails helps protect them. Scientists and park staff work together to monitor wildlife and plant health. Their research guides decisions on how to keep the ecosystem strong. Partnering with local tribes and respecting their cultural ties to the land also plays a big role. Their traditional knowledge helps shape good conservation practices. Finally, fighting climate change is part of protecting the desert. Preserving soils and plants that store carbon helps reduce overall greenhouse gases. By making smart choices and supporting conservation efforts, everyone can help keep the Anza-Borrego Desert vibrant and alive for future generations. Remember, following park rules, participating in educational programs, and supporting land protection projects all make a difference. Together, we can help ensure this natural wonder continues to thrive.